Hi guys, welcome to QUIZTECH. Let's test your general knowledge today about your favorite junk food. Ready? Let's go! Where do potatoes originate from? What country is known for originating pizza? From which continent does cocoa originate? What is the primary origin of sushi? Which region is famous for originating olives? Where do mangoes originate from? What country is known for originating sushi rice? From which continent do bananas originate? What country is known for originating croissants? Where does saffron primarily come from? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.